The word every means each one without exception. It refers to all the items or persons in a group. When using every, we include all members without leaving any out. Every means each one without exception. It emphasizes the inclusion of all items in a group, making sure none is missed or excluded. The word every includes all items. It means no exceptions are made and refers to a complete set. When we say every, we mean the whole group in a full sense. Here are sentences using the word every. I heard every word you said. He devotes every spare moment to his hobby. His every move was carefully watched. These examples show how every means all without exception. Every and each are similar but used differently. Every refers to all members of a larger group, often more than two. Each is used for smaller groups and means one by one. Every looks at the group as a whole, while each focuses on individual items within the group. Buses leave every 10 minutes. Each child received a present. Every student passed the exam. These examples show how every and each are used in real sentences to express all and individual members respectively. Every is always followed by a singular noun and singular verb. Each can be used with singular nouns or plural nouns with of. Each emphasizes individuals, while every emphasizes the group as a whole. Every cannot be used directly with pronouns. Use each when focusing on the separateness of items. Try filling in the blanks. Every student must attend. Each of the boys got a prize. Trains leave every 15 minutes. Practicing these helps understand the correct use of every and each in sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.